Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Craftessa, and I am Vanessa. For today's easy DIY, we're going to take some scrapbooking paper and one of these Dollar Tree platters to create a glam display piece. So let's get crafting. So I'm going to take the scrapbook paper. I'm probably going to need two pieces because this tray is a little bit big. So I'm going to take two pieces of the scrapbook paper, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trace the shape of the tray. I'm going to trace the back part so it can obviously fit into the inside of the tray. So let's begin by doing that. Now that I have the two pieces of scrapbook paper cut that I need to cover the inside of the tray, I'm going to use some Mod Podge to adhere the scrapbook paper to the tray. So I'm going to put quite a bit of Mod Podge because I don't want this, I want this paper to stick very well to this tray, and this tray is plastic. So I'm going to spread out the Mod Podge in pretty much a thick layer and then lay the scrapbook paper over it. So now I let the Mod Podge dry overnight, 24 hours. Now that it's dry, I'm going to take these gold beads that I have and I'm going to string them through some jewelry wire in order to create some handles for the tray, or at least try to create the illusion of some handles for the tray. So let's string them up and continue. So now that I'm almost done with stringing the beads, I am ready to attach them to the tray. So I just want to see where I'm going to attach them. And once I decide on my spots, I'm just going to take my hole puncher and punch 2 holes in the tray. It's pretty easy because this tray is really not a very thick plastic, so the hole puncher will work perfectly to make the 2 holes. And this way we can attach the wire with the beads.